So I just got this keyboard for $5. See? One key is broken, two keys are broken. So I'm gonna revive it and see how it is. It's supposed to be. I think I have one just like this. So I'm gonna get it back to life. So I got an extra one. So I cleaned it a little bit. So now I think what I can do is get this thing, I can glue this. Yeah, I can put strong glue here on the back and then swap this, what do you call this, octave here. And this one, I'm not sure, I gotta work it out somehow. But it's looking good. So it looks like it was dropped. See, there's a crack. But it's easy to fix. I'll fix it right now. So this thing opens just like a book. So you gotta get these screws here. Punch screws, take them out and then flip them up. So they're all the same. Alright, so I'm getting them all out. So I got all the screws and then the thing just opens. So you see, it just opens up. You can just lift it. And the cover is off. I'm ready for us to work on the keys. Easy. So this is the one that is cracked. I'm gonna glue this. So then there's some, you see what you call scotch tape here, like here. Just take it out and this thing is gonna slide out. The whole keypad is gonna slide out. See? It just slides out and then we can flip it. Then we just flip it. And now we can work on the keyboard, on the keys actually. So you see there, I got this plastic thing there. And then the thing just pops up. That's it. So you just gotta get the thing out of all the keys and you're out. So this is from the back. So you take this little rubber thing and then the key slides out. I got this one, I gotta get the black keys first. Once they're loose, they just pop. See? That easy. That easy. And then we wrap with the black keys. Same thing, tilted it so you get into the little notches on the back. Once they're in there, and then just push it in, relax on that rubber thingy, and there we go, back to life. So all the text seems to be good.